Hi friends, welcome to Pretty Simple Living. Today I want to be little devotional, so I came up with three different types of Prasadam recipes. First one is pineapple kesari, sweet pongal and pulihora, that is lemon rice. My first recipe is pineapple kesari. We need suji 2 cups, sugar, pineapple puree, pineapple chunks, cashew nuts, almond raisins for garnishing. Here I am taking 3 spoons of ghee in a pan. So here I am roasting all nuts and raisins. Once it is roasted, I am taking them in a separate bowl. In the same pan, here I am frying suji. Roast it well. You will get nice smell when it gets roasted properly. Take 4 cups of water for 2 cups of suji. Here I am adding suji into water. Use whisk instead of spoon so you won't get any lumps. Here I am adding boiled pineapple puree. Here I have added pineapple chunks also. Cook it in a medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover it with lid. Once the suji is cooked, I have added sugar. Mix it properly. Once the sugar is all melted and cooked properly, you can add freshly grounded ilachi. Finally, add roasted nuts and raisins. Mix it properly. Finally, garnish with ghee. Here I have added 2 spoons. Pineapple kesari is ready. My second prasadam item, sweet pongal. For that we need rice, moong dal, chana dal, jaggery, sugar, cashew nuts, almonds and raisins. Soak rice and dal for half an hour. Here I am adding 4 cups of milk and 6 cups of water, like 1:2 ratio. Give it a quick stir and cover it with the lid. Keep it for 3 whistles. Meanwhile, I am roasting nuts and raisins. Here I have transferred dal and rice mixture into another bowl. Now I have added jaggery 4 cups and 1 cup of sugar. Give it a nice mix. Mix it properly. Once the jaggery and sugar is melted, now you can add freshly grounded ilachi, that is cardamom, add roasted nuts and raisins. Finally, add little more ghee. Give it a nice mix. That's it. Our sweet Pongal is ready for Prasadam. And my third Prasadam item is Pulihora. This is very easy. Here I have taken 2 cups of rice. I soaked it for half an hour before cooking. Here I have added 1 spoon of oil, so that if you add oil to the rice before cooking, so the rice will be fluffy and separate. In a separate pan, take some oil, add mustard seeds, chana dal, urid dal, here I have added hing, that is asafoetida. I have added red chilies, green chilies. Give it a nice stir, and I have added peanuts. Roast it properly. Finally, before going to switch off the stove, you can add sesame seeds. Here I have added 1.5 spoon. These sesame seeds will give nice taste, and I have added half spoon of ajwain. Add some turmeric. I have added half spoon. Give it a nice mix and switch off the stove. Now you can add curry leaves. Finally, I am going to add some lemon juice. Once the rice is cooled down, you can add this mixture into rice and add salt according to taste. Here is my third prasadam. Pulihora is also ready. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll visit you in my next video. Thank you.